Hey viewers, in this video, I will compare Semantic Kernel versus LangChain, which one is best for building intelligent apps. When it comes to building AI-powered applications, Semantic Kernel and LangChain are two most notable frameworks. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important point about their features and capabilities. Let's get started. Microsoft Semantic Kernel is great for enterprise-level solutions, especially if you are already in the Microsoft ecosystem. It focuses on AI model integration with memory, plugins, and reasoning. It is seamless integration with Microsoft Azure and OpenAI's model. On the other hand, it has smaller community compared to LangChain, making it harder to find solutions to unique issues. It is limited to comparing LangChain, particularly with third-party AI libraries and services. It is an emerging framework, so it is not as mature as LangChain. Now discuss the LangChain. As for LangChain, it is tailored for Python developers, excellent for those in Python ecosystem with deep integration with OpenAI, Hugging Face, and vector databases. It makes chaining multiple AI tasks easy, which is perfect for complex AI works, built for scalability, and offers powerful AI pipelines with flexibility. It can be demanding on system resources, which not be ideal for small-scale application. While flexible, this flexibility can lead to more complex setups and implementation. Python developers who need flexibility and are working with large-scale AI complication or complex AI workflows, then this is best option for them. Semantic Kernel is ideal if you are working within the Microsoft.NET ecosystem and need structured AI application, especially in enterprise solution. On the other hand, LangChain is the clear winner for Python developers due to its flexibility, ease of use, and ability to scale for complex AI tasks.